Okay, so we were discussing the question here. Let's take one more question here. Please, you can skip 29. I told you already. This is, a very lengthy question. So let's take one last question and then we proceed. Please try 31. 1 minus cosine 2 theta. It has square root. 0 to pi by 2 is basically the value. 21, please. 1 minus cosine 2 theta square root. So it has theta times 1 minus cosine 2 theta. Please try 31, please. And write the question, please. Here. 31. The exercise number 8.3. And 31. We gave 0 to pi by 2. And it is theta times 1 minus cosine 2 theta and d. Right? Yes. So please start this question. But first of all, you have to apply conjugate this, and we try to see what happened with the conjugate. Yes. So 1 minus cosine square. Huh? 1 minus cosine square becomes sine. 1 plus cosine 2 theta and 1 plus. If it is negative, so positive 1 plus.
1 plus cosine
2 theta up and down you have to multiply. For conjugate. In the square root, yes, exactly. So it becomes what? A minus b, a plus b becomes 1 minus cosine square 2 theta. Basically sine square.
But I'm just waiting.
Yes.
Think what you do with it.
Just write it. See what happens. But I have some doubts about this question. It's why they have theta outside? This is something strange. Yeah,
I don't think that's feeling the cross.
I think the theta is not here.
Maybe integrate my part.
That's what I'm thinking. I mean, actually, this is by parts integration. In that case, is it is something weird. Anyway, let's just
Because it's by parts.
no. I think we have to remove theta. Please go ahead. We see if it's stuck, we have to remove theta. Yes, please. So this is sine squared. Squared. Now check the behavior of sine function.
From zero
From
to
zero. I think it's not theta here. No, I mistakes here. It's not theta. It's something else. Maybe. Fine. In that case, it becomes my parts. Just read. Continue, please. Continue. Yes. Okay. Now I understand. Yes. At the end, it becomes the bypass. Nice one. Go now, bypass. Okay.
So after
Yes.
this, bring it home.
No, it's okay. It's there. We will perform after that. At the end, yes. Yeah, when we simplify, it becomes bypass. So, okay, yes, now just show me that where you reach now.
No, I'm not exposed to. Sign. Exposed. Now how?
You check.
Yes.
Okay, means 0 to pi by 2, you check 2 times. That means 0 to pi by 2 means substitute 45 means pi by 4 or pi by 3. You can so it's positive. Okay.
And now I can take this as.
But here means this we get an argument before the line is conjugate. You use it and the identities. Sine 2 theta. We have one more thing. Cosine square will be 1 plus cosine 2 theta. 2 theta over 3.
What can I do here was the.
Yes, that's why it means here we have to go means here with bypass or we have to use one more identity. Anyway, just remove the theta, then you get the answer.
Yes.
I will do, yes, I will do also.
Just remove the theta, please. Don't write theta in the question. Then tell me what's the answer.
Negative half. Then more.
I think it's better, please. In this question, please. Just remove this one, please. Then try now. Means no theta, please. Now I think you get the answer. So you get du divided by square root of u. Yes or no? Good. Integrate now this one. Means please this question please when you reach here you get insufficient du divided by square root of u. Then for the sake of integration take it up. It becomes what? Negative half.
Yes.
Yeah. Exactly. So now it becomes negative half plus 1 divided by the negative half plus 1. Half. So u power half divide by 2
One, -1 over the other side.
Outside? Okay,
Yes.
okay, done. Like that?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we have already here -1 over. So this is -1 over 2. Cancel out. So negative u have substituted 1 plus cosine 2 theta, am I right?
Yes.
And it has limits from 0 to pi. So because we have done this question already in the last class, means we know very well how to proceed. First, you have to take conjugate, please. Perform conjugate, so you get 1 minus cosine squared, which is sine squared.
Can you explain exactly how can conjugate? If I try to do that.
But conjugate we did the last class, yes or no?
Yes, but I don't know.
So times 1 plus cosine theta over 1 plus 2.
Cosine 0 is 1, so you get 1 plus 1, 2, and you get -2, the lower limit. Because cosine 0 is 1, and upper limit 5 is 0. So I think you get
I'll check it.
So the conjugate, what, that's.
I'm sorry, why we put this absolute value? No need.
Maybe it's the brackets.
Brackets, yeah. Not absolute value. It is bracket, yes. So I think you get now -1, and plus, no, not radical. Radical. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, exactly. No, it is half.
So it's
It
negative.
is radical, yes. It is radical, you're right.
Negative radical.
Negative radical 1 plus cosine 2. So this is, it becomes -1 and then plus square root 2. Exactly, you're right. So the answer is -1 plus radical 2.
It should be
Yes or no?
sine pi is -1.
Cosine 2 times 5 by cosine 5 is -1. So -1 plus 0.
1 minus 1 is 0. You
Yeah.
get 1.
So it means it's only one answer.
No, it should be negative radical.
Look at here. If you put upper limit here in the answer, so
Yes.
cosine pi is -1.
Yes.
Negative plus 1 is 0.
Yes.
That is 0. Okay. Then plus cosine 0 is 1. So it becomes -1. Then
Minus radical
2.
2.
The answer is -2.
1 plus 1.
exactly. Minus radical 2.
Yes.
Cosine 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So negative radical 2. Yes.
Negative pi.
Negative and negative become positive, yeah. So it becomes upper limit in the answer minus, so it become plus, yes. So
If the negative sign outside would be subtract the upper.
negative 2, the answer is positive radical 2,
Radical 2.
yes.
What?
Because when you apply lower limit,
Cosine 0.
so lower limit means upper minus lower.
Okay.
Minus.
Ah, yeah,
So
minus.
minus and that becomes positive,
Negative radical.
yeah.
Plus.
Outside negative sign, outside negative. So
No,
upper
it's
limit,
outside the negative.
outside.
But it's negative inside the radical doesn't.
No, 1 minus 1 is 0.
Yeah.
The upper limit is becoming 0, right? Then minus, and again I have in my answer minus become positive. And then put lower limit, so becomes positive radical. So, no understanding?
If you put
Okay,
The first, yes, okay.
okay. So the answer is radical 2, by the way. I hope you have same answer. Radical 2. Okay, now here, first of all, please remove this
if you have theta, you go by part.
theta. Yes, of course, there's no other way. We have to go backwards. Okay, so now here, integrate 0 to pi over 2. Now, the conjugate of this one is
1 plus
1 plus, so 1 minus cosine 2 theta, please. It should be multiplied by 1 plus cosine 2 theta
Over 1 plus.
and divide by 1 plus sine 2 theta. All in a square root basically. And we are dealing. Now, a minus b, a plus b, it becomes a square minus b square, which is basically
1 minus cosine.
becomes 1 minus cosine square 2 theta divided by 1 plus cosine 2 theta. If you don't mind, I distribute the square root up and down, please, okay? That's 0 to pi and d theta. Yes, please.
I got stuck here, I didn't know how to.
Sine square.
Yes, please.
What if I'm multiplied by the adjective 1 plus cosine of theta, that's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. Means you are talking about like that. Means outside. But we take a sign. Yeah, it's okay. Because both of them will come under one square root.
Yeah,
It's fine. 1 minus cosine square is how much? Sine square. So this is sine square to theta and divide by it is square root. 1 plus cosine theta with the square root, and we have 0 to pi by 2, and it is d theta. Okay. Now sine square and square, you know, absolute becoming sine 2 theta, please. Absolute value, please. And 1 plus cosine 2 theta, it is square root, and 0 to pi. Okay. Now check the behavior. Sine 2 times theta, please look at here, the n is to theta. Your theta is 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 90 degree. Now between 0 to 90 degree, select some angles. Let's say pi by 4, 45. Pi by 3, 60. Pi by 6, 30. Please check. Put here sine 2 times pi by 3.
So it's gonna be positive.
Check. If positive, then remove the absolute value without any sign. 2 times pi by 6, please.
Can't we remove it directly? Because 5 over 2 times 2 is 5.
And then
Yeah, that's
sine pi is 0.
0 to pi.
Sine pi is 0. So how you decide is positive or negative?
Through the graph we made last time. It was
So, but it is basically
positive.
it's a double angle. It's not single angle, double angle. Okay?
So we need to split it.
Because with the theta I have 2. Yes, please.
We need to split.
No. Check that behavior. 0 to pi by 2, please check sine 2 theta behavior.
Up to 90 degrees, it's positive.
2 times pi by 3,
That's it.
pi by 4, put theta pi by 4, but not forget you have 2 also.
Doctor, if I had just sine theta, can I just put the positive here?
Yeah, that is okay. Because you know very well, 0 to pi by 2 sine is positive, yes.
This one's gonna be positive.
Very good. So it means remove the bracket, no problem. Means that's it. Okay. Understand, please?
So now we can substitute.
Now you substitute. What?
Exactly. Plus 1 plus
1 plus. Exactly. Please. Substitute now. 1 plus cosine 2 theta as u. 1 plus cosine 2 theta as u. What is the derivative of cosine theta? Negative sine 2 theta times 2 is equal to d. Now we don't need this 2. Yes, you're right. We have transcendental side. So negative. Sorry.
Divide by
Sine 2 theta.
We have sine 2 theta is equal to negative d u divided by 2. So this is your substitution part, please. And now please we can substitute here. So sine 2 theta d theta is equal to negative du and divide by 2, please. And this one plus cosine 2 theta is u and it has scaled. And then I explained already that it becomes, take it up. So it is minus 1 by 2
Sine 2.
and integrate u power minus half and d. And then you can apply here negative 1 by 2 times 2 times 1 plus cosine 2 theta. It has a root and it has limit from 0 to 5. So this will cancel out. Okay, now left it with upper limit in the answer minus lower limit in the answer. So the answer is radical 2, yes. Do you understand, please? Okay. So now in this 8.4, how many topics we discuss? 3. First topic, sine, cosine, okay? Second, secant, tangent. Third, square roots. Conjugate, you can say, yeah. Although means you can answer this question with the help of identity, but I am going with conjugate, which is much easier, okay? Right. One more topic it was there, cotangent, cosecant, but I skipped that topic. Otherwise, 4 topics are there. 8.4, you will get 3 questions. 3 means one question from each topic. Sine, one question, then secant, tangent, one question, and the square root, one question. Please.
After my question was, when I was died on the conjugate debate,
Uh-huh.
I got one plus cosine should be
Yeah, means actually you did this one. You did this one basically. 1 plus sine 2 theta. 1 plus cosine 2 theta in the radical, am I right? So it's okay. Because both have, radical sign, you can combine them. So means you can write all the stuff in one radical.
The radical on the top wouldn't be cancelled the next radical. And then
No, but what happened to get here means you can write this like that. 1 minus cosine 2 theta multiply 1 plus cosine 2 theta in one the radicals. Combine, it's like that. It's square root 3 times square root for that was 6. So you can write 3 and 6 in one. You can combine, it's fine. Actually, the thing is that you can do it like that, but the better thing is that don't apply outside. Means you should have to perform the conjugate under the square root, because this cosine theta is the square root. So if you please multiply conjugate, do here please. Means do here inside please. Don't take outside please. Do you understand what I mean? Means don't apply outside the square root. Within the power apply. Right? Okay. Now, after 8, as I told you, you get 2 questions from 8.2 by parts, 3 questions from here, which is 3 topics we discuss. Okay, 2 questions, no, 1 question from the topic we are starting now, 8.4. 8.4, yeah.
Yes, what I want.
Yeah, 8.2, 8.3, now 8.4, yeah. 8.4. So exercise number 8.4. Now we learn one more technique of integration, which is called integration by, it is substitution, but it is which substitution? Huh? Trigonometry. Yes. So integration by trigonometric substitution. Trigonometric substitution. Means now we will use some trigonometric functions as a substitution. Please.
The chapter that could be integration.
Yes, throughout this chapter is integration, yes. All integration, you're right. Okay. Do you know how many functions of trigonometric we can use as substitution?
3.
How many total?
There are
Yeah, there are 6, but 3 we can use as substitution, you're right. Which one?
secant sine.
Yes, 3 functions we can use as substitution. Sine, secant, and tangent. Yes, we can use tangent function as substitution. we can use secant function as substitution and sine. Now, the condition is that when you use sine, when you use secant, when you use tangent as substitution. So please note down the condition, please. Number one, if your question looks like this one, constant square minus function square, a square minus a u square. I think it's better I use x. It's better.
Yes, X.
A square minus x. So you have first constant square minus function square. In this type of question, if your question looks like this one, a square minus x square, this implies that you can substitute x as
A sign.
a sine theta. A sine theta, understand? However, where this theta is basically between minus pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Why, we need this interval because you have to decide when you have absolute value. So when you check the behavior of the function, check the behavior of the function. If you have sine as a substitution, check from here. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 pi by 2 are which quadrants? Which quadrants cover minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? No, I'm asking which quadrant?
Was the
We have 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1 and 4.
All students take calculus. So negative pi by 2 and pi by 2 are which quadrant, please?
2 and 3.
1 and 4th. 1 and 4th are the quadrants covered minus pi by 2 to pi because pi by 2 means positive angle and then you need negative pi by 2. So please don't go up clockwise. So this is negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. So where is your lie in first and fourth? In first and fourth. So sine function means if your substitution sine theta, please check the behavior of the function in 1 and 4th, please. Now, number 2. If your question looks like this one, a square plus x square means constant square plus function square. This means you substitute your function x as a tan theta. A tan theta. And this tan theta behavior is also from same pi by 2, negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. But we do not use the equal sign in tangent, tuition. You know why I don't equal pi by 2 in tangent? Because tan pi by 2 is undefined. Asymptote. Tan pi by 2 is undefined. That's why. Okay, third option. If your question looks like this one, function square minus constant square. Let's say x square minus pi square. So this implies that you substitute our function which secant. Actually, in this case, we have two options. There are two possibilities. But as per our questions, the second possibility is not happening in our case. So that's why no worries. For secant case, it is always, let me get here. Which quadrant? For secant, which quadrant? 0 pi by 2, which quadrant? First one. And you know very well, first all are positive. So if you have secant substitution, if you have absolute value, don't worry, this positive. Actually, it has one more case. But that case will not come in our questions. That's why I'm not discussing that. Okay. Same like if you remember in hyperbolic function,
Yes.
it has two options. With condition, a square is greater than u square or a square is less than. Okay. But here I have observed there is no question related to secant case, so that's why I know it for that. So when if you have secant as tuition, so means you can go with this always positive. So anyway, this is the 8.4 overall, concept. So let's start the question, please, and we see the questions are related to which format, and then we use substitution for that. Okay, let's start this. Let me have a resource. Eight point four. In exam, we tell you, use trigonometric substitution. Because sometimes this question can be answered by other technique. So when the method is mentioned, don't use other methods. We will write, use by parts, use trigonometric substitution, okay? We have a more technique in 8.5, inshallah, I will share with you what is that. So method will be mentioned in exam, okay? So you have to follow those methods. Right. So this is 8.4 questions, please, from the ebook. By the way, there are many questions. Maybe we no need for that because they're not close to this substitution. So anyway, I will share you these questions. Which one we have to go? Right. Let's start with number 4, please. 4. Integrate 0 to 2 dx by 8 plus 2x squared. So number 4 question. 8.4. Number 4 question. Question 4. Integrate 0 to 2 dx divided by 8 plus 2x squared. 8 plus 2x squared. Okay. Right. Now, step 1. Whenever we integrate, what we did in the previous questions, we have to make the x squared coefficient always 1. So right now what is that? 2. So we want it 1, please. So integrate 0 to 2 dx divide by take to the factor, and by chance it is 8 become 4, right?
Yeah.
And plus x. This 2 you can take outside, just the sake of simplification, please.
0 to 2 squared.
So now we have 0 to 2, this is dx divided by, okay. How 4 as a square? 2 square. So this is 2 square and plus x square. Now please try to understand, please tell me, this is which format? It is a square plus x square. So which is equal to which function? Tangent. It means your function x will be replaced by tangent, means a tangent. Who is a? 2, yeah. A is constant. Right now it is 2. Now please let x is equal to a, which is 2, and tan theta. Now next differentiate dx is equal to 2 times tan theta, secant square theta, and d theta. So please, this is all substitution now. Now your question will be replaced by these substitutions. So this is 1 over 2 integrate dx how much? 2 times secant square theta and divide by, this is 2 square is 4 plus x replaced by what? 2 times what? Tan theta, and it has square. Look at it, square. Okay, I mean, I can go next step is fine. Yes, make 2 square as it is. Next, I will make it 4. Okay. I just put the values, please. dx, look at dx, how much? 2 secant square theta d theta. I'm sorry. Now, 2 square as it is plus x, how much? Look at x. 2 tangent. Look at it, 2 tangent. It has square, it has square. I just put the values, please. I make substitution and I put the value here. Is that fine? Okay, now please go ahead. This 2 and 2 is cancelled. Yes or no? Now integrate in the numerator, I have secant square theta and divide by 2 times, 2 power of 2 is 4. Make it square. It is 4 and tan square theta and here d theta.
Can you take that?
Now, a secant square theta and divide by take 4 point factor 1 plus
Yeah.
tan square theta,
And then
okay?
you take 4 out.
And we have here d theta. 1 plus tan square, how much?
Secant.
Secant square. So you can take 1 by 4 outside. 1 by 4 outside. Here is secant square theta. And divide by 1 plus tan square is secant square theta. And d theta. And by chance you can see both are cancelled out. So what we have now? We have 1 by 4 and d theta. So 1 by 4 integration of d theta. Now, d theta basically the integration of d theta, how much? Theta. So we have 1 by 4 and theta. Okay. Now, we have to go back because our question is a substitution. Our question is next, not in theta. So I have to find theta value, please, from substitution. I need only theta. Look at here. From here, if I need theta, please, from here, please, if I need theta. So I have here tan theta. Tan theta is equal to x by 2, right? Please divide both sides by 2, please. This cancel out. So you have tan theta x by 2. I need only theta.
Tan.
It becomes tan inverse and x over 2. Please put this theta value in the question now. So theta is tan inverse x by 2, please. So theta is now 1 by 4 tan inverse x over 2. And you have limit from where to where? 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Now apply upper limit in the answer and minus lower limit in the answer. So 1 by 4 tangent inverse. What is upper limit? 2. 2 by 2. 1. Minus again lower limit in the answer, which is 0. And you know very well 0 of tan inverse is 0. Means the sine function and tan function on 0 are always 0. So tan inverse 1 is 5 by 4. So it's 5/16 exactly. The answer to this question is 5/16. Yes, please.
Thank you much.
Hurry.
Thanks much.
We get tan inverse x over 2.
From here, I give you theta. So theta, so tan goes there. Tan inverse.
It's exactly like the table,
It is exactly
like that table you gave us before.
table, which table?
I put 1 over a squared plus x squared equals the tan inverse.
Then the stable.
And then goes integration table.
Means your order rules.
Yeah.
It's not something like that because I just got the theta value. And theta comes by chance like that, tan inverse. Means you cannot go reverse that case. Okay, just because my arms is theta, so I need only theta value. So because my substitution is tangent, that's why means because theta involved in the angle. So you have to cancel this function. So that's why it becomes inverse. Okay. No need for, you're not required here table.
Yeah, I mean, for doing all that stuff, we can do from the start to take the right kind of calendars because it looks the same like the rule.
No, it's not very easy. It's difficult to reverse back. Maybe this question was simple, so like that. Otherwise, there is. Okay. Let's do one more question, please. Let's try number 6, please. Number 6. 0 to 1 by 2 square root 2 is a perfect, and 2 dx divided by 1 minus 4x squared. Number 6, please. Number 6. Number 6. Integrate 0 to 1 over 2 square root 2. One by 2 square root 2.
Just dx
Then 2 dx,
over square root of 1 minus 4x.
1 minus 4x squared. Okay. Again, please step 1, what do?
We take 4 as common.
We take 4 as a common factor because we need the coefficient of x squared as 1. So integrate 0 to 1 over 2 square root 2. 2 dx divided by in the square root, take 4 as a common factor. We get 1 by 4 minus x squared. Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Now, what is 4 square root?
2. We take it outside.
2. We get the outside and it's cancelled out. 0 to 1 by 2 square.
Can cancel 2 dx.
Yes, you're right. So this is 2 times and now square root of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 squared. And minus x squared. So this is cancelled out. Just write, the final variant. 0 to 1 over 2 square root 2. Then we have dx and divide by 1 by 2 square minus x square and square root. Now identify which substitution. And it is sine. Yes. A squared minus x squared, which is sine. Absolutely right. Now we start. So let this x is equal to a. How much a here?
1 over 2.
1 over 2 sine theta. Yes. And then we have dx. So dx is equal to 1 by 2 cosine theta and d theta. Now please replace this substitution in the question now. So integrate dx is 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 and cosine theta d theta and divide by we have 1 by 2 squared and then we have minus x which is 1 by 2 sine theta and it has. I don't think so that this question is also something different. I should have changed the question because the way same becomes again more easy question. Because it becomes sine square, it becomes cosine and then cancel. It's same like before question, please. Anyway, you can continue. I will not continue, please. I change the question.
It's going to be positive with the square root. So it's absolutely fine.
Yeah, but again means that it cancel and cancel.
Sorry,
Yeah, because the thing is that as we get the cosine square in the denominator, basically you get cosine square theta and the square root, okay? And then it becomes cosine theta absolute. Cosine theta absolute. Now,
How do you get?
Yes.
What do you do with 1 over 2 squared?
okay, because 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, take on factor 1 by 4.
Oh.
Okay, so now please, as we get this cosine theta, now which function you are using for substitution? Sine theta. So sine theta. What is theta? Interval. Now negative pi by 2 to Positive pi by 2, right? Which two quadrants? 1 and 4th. 1 and 4th. 1 and. Check the cosine theta behavior in 1 and 4th.
Positive.
Here is A, all positive. Here is C, cosine is positive. That's why cosine B here is positive. So when you remove it, just remove like that.
Then you cancel this.
And cancel, it becomes theta. Same question like before. That's why you can continue by yourself. Please, I change the question. I have to do something else. And we want something else because what I want is not coming until now. Let's start the 7th question, please. No, 7. This 7, please. So it becomes what? It
5 minus.
becomes become secant 10. Okay, please try 7 question, please.
That's
Fine.
Sorry. Yes, a square minus x square.
Fine.
You don't have the X.
Okay, then we can go for number 10, please. Number 10, please. 7 again is a square minus x square, which is sine. Okay. Number 10.
You don't have the X. So what do you mean? Where it's
Zero.
the X.
Yes.
Any questions?
Which question?
Like see question 6 and the one we solved, we have the X. Is it matter? It's literally. You mean question? Okay.
Same thing is dt basically. So we'll just use here means it is pi square and it's t. So t is basically 5 sine theta.
Then you cancel. Can you cancel?
No. Why cancel? No cancellation. Just go. Just try. You can try this question, please. Number 10, please. 5 dx. Because this question which I started is 6 is again going same answer. That's why I'm not interested, please. We have done already. It's only repetition, please. That's why. But you can try yourself, please. No problem. So now we go to number 10. Number 10. 5 dx, yes. It's integrate 5 times x divided by square root of
25 X squared.
25x squared and minus
9.
9. And your x is
Greater than 3 over 5.
3 over 5. Okay. Now here, you can again take what you can take is one factor 25. So integrate 5. So here you can take 25 as a common factor. We have x squared minus 9 over 25. Right, please? In the square root. Understand? Now, what is 25 square root? 5. This 5 and that 5 is cancelled. So please note down means this 5 and from here 25 square root becomes cancelled out. So you get now dx divided by x squared minus 9 by 25. Okay, I write 3 over 5. I write 3 over 5 with square and square root. Now you can start substitution. This is which substitution? Secant. So let's write now. X is equal to A. How much A? 3 over 5 and secant theta. And dx is equal to 3 over 5 secant theta, tangent theta, and d theta. Understand? Because secant derivative is secant 10. Now please substitute these. So as per our calculation, our dx is 3 by 5. 3 over 5 secant theta, tan theta, and d theta. Divide by square root of x squared. X how much? Our x. X is 3 by 5 secant theta. So please write x. 3 over 5 secant theta, it has square, and minus 3 by 5 square. I just put the values in the, in the equation, please. This x is 3 by 5 secant theta. Look at here, I put here. And dx is 3 by 5 secant 10. I just put the values, please. Dx value and this x value is 3 by 5, please. Secant theta. Okay. X has square, I square. Understand that? Okay. Now, what is 3 by 5 secant theta square? Open it, please. It becomes now. This is 3 over 5 integrate secant theta, tan theta, d theta, divide by, when you open it, it becomes 9 over 25 secant square theta minus 9 over 25 in the square root. I just open them, please. Now, what we can take is one factor here. 9 over 25, you can take the one factor, please. So here it is 3 over 5 integrated secant theta, tangent theta, d theta, divide by 9 over 25 common factor. You get secant square theta minus 1, right, please? And in the square root. What is 9 by 25 square root? 3 over 5, because it's already the divide, it will flip. Means, what I mean, please.
What?
This is 3 over 5 integrated secant theta, tan theta, d theta, and divide by. It becomes 0 5. Look at here. 3 over 5. Inside you have now secant square minus 1. And it flip means this you can cancel out. Because at the end it will cancel. How much secant square theta minus 1? 10 squared. Exactly. So now integrate. We have secant theta, tangent theta, then we have d theta,
We're done.
and divide by secant square theta minus 1, how much? 10 squared. Tangent square theta in the square root. And tan square theta square root is basically absolute value of tangent. Do you understand, please? Absolute value of tangent. Now, this is which function substitution? Secant. Theta is where in secant case? All positive. So no problem. Just remove this. Don't worry. Because it's in first point. 0 to pi by. Now cancel. Now you need only secant theta integration. I told you already a shortcut. Ln secant theta plus tan. So the integration of secant theta with a shortcut that I told already. Ln absolute value secant theta plus tan theta and plus c because there's no limit. But the question not end here. You have to put back now theta value. Yes, please.
Can you repeat why you this is
Tangent,
I need to just.
Absolute value.
No, no,
the absolute value. Okay, because when we start this question, this topic, I gave you the rules, right?
Yes.
Right now you use which substitution, which function? Secant. Just check. Theta is from where to where in secant case.
And
So it is which quadrant?
first.
First. In first, all positive. That's why. That's why you remove the absolute value without any problem. Now look at here, please. Yes, please.
You said when we cancel 3 over 5, you said 12 year. What exactly?
No, it means here. when you here we have 3 by 5, please. 3 by 5. And here you have 3 by 5. So this is divide, then it is again divide. So this divide change to multiply, then they become reciprocal. It becomes like that. 5 over. It means from here. So this 5, 5, 3, 3 cancel. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, please.
See the square root of secant square minus 1. It should be square root of tan square.
Yeah.
And,
Tan square is absolute value.
okay.
Now understand?
Yes.
Now we need secant theta value and tan theta value. If you go back to the substitution theory on secant,
We have
where is
solved for both.
look at here. Secant theta is given. Don't worry. Secant theta. If you need only secant theta from here,
5 over 3.
if we need secant theta from here, so
5 over 3.
you have to multiply both sides by 5 by 3 here and 5 by 3 here. So this 5 cancel out. How much secant theta please? Secant theta is equal to how much please? 5x by 5x over 3. So secant theta we got from the direct from substitution. Because in my answer, I have secant theta. Look at here. I have secant theta. And I got my answer. Secant theta is basically equal to how much? 5x by 3. Okay. What next function value you need? 10. Okay, let me write first the secant answer. So ln absolute value. Secant theta how much? 5x over 3. Because my question is in x, not in theta. So you cannot stop only here. Plus, okay, now I need tangent theta. So please let me know how I answer tan theta.
The relationship between
Huh?
the relationship between secant and theta. The secant square theta minus 1.
How I was not scared. Okay, any other answer, please? How we get tan theta now? I need tan theta value, please. Secant theta value 5x by 3, I got from here. I got from here, means from secant theta I got, is okay. I need not tangent. No.
You put the secant value here and then you solve it. We have secant. So it's like-
I need tangent.
Yeah, okay.
So there's no tangent in the equation. No, not dx, please.
You can flip it and multiply both sides of the side. And we take sides.
Yeah.
Calculus.
Yeah, basically,
I agree.
we use now Pythagoras theorem. Look at it, please. Okay, look at here. Secant theta value how much? 5x by 3. Do you know what is the rule of secant? Look at here. You have A, B, and C. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine is basically A over C.
So it's
Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cosine is A over C. So if cosine is A over C, what about secant? C over A. So if it is C over A, so C is equal to how much?
So
5x. And A how much? 3. Please, secant theta is C over A. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent. C is 5x and A is 3. I put C 5x and A is 3. I need B. By Pythagoras theorem, what is the B?
5x square plus 3 square.
Exactly. B means C square minus A square root. Means 5x square. So 5x square. And okay, 5x square, you can make 25x square, please.
we can directly write that as 25x squared.
Minus 9. Yes. And square root. Now you have completed right angle triangle. Which function you need, by the way? Tangent. So tangent rule is how much, you know? B over A. Yes. Tangent how much? Tangent theta is basically B, which is 25x squared minus 9 square root, divide by A, how much? 3. So we got tangent value also. So secant is 5x by 3 and tangent is this one. Please now copy the last answer, please. The tangent is 25x squared minus 9 divided by 3. So now here, please, write the answer. So tangent how much? 25x squared minus 9 square root divided by 3 absolute value plus. So theta should be changed into x. And whenever you need the, any trigonometric function value, you need secant theta value, sine value, cosine, please use right angle triangle. No, don't write, no. We don't write any function answer as inverse, no, wrong. Oh yes, if you only have angle, like before, we had only theta. Oh yes, theta can come as an inverse. But a trigonometric function means secant theta, do you write something inverse? No. Okay, don't write please. It will consider as a wrong. Don't write please. Yes, please.
Because I think you repeat the first year, because there are sometimes that I just.
Actually, look at it means, we got secant theta value is 5x by 3. Okay. Secant theta, if you just, please just recall, if you have a right angle triangle, A, B, and C, and with angle theta, please, this is adjacent, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. Now, what is secant theta formula, please?
3 over 8.
Secant is basically the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine function, cosine theta is A over C. If cosine is A over C, it is understood secant is C over A. So that's why I mentioned here that secant theta value is 5x by 3, but we know very well secant theta is C over A. It means C value how much? 5x. I wrote here C value 5x. 5x. And denominator is A. A equal to how much? I write here.
Is.
Now, by the Pythagoras theorem,
Yes.
if you have missing this side, the formula is B is equal to C squared minus A squared and square root.
Now it's became over 3.
No, wait. First of all, find the B value, please. B value. C squared. What is C? 5x. 25x squared. Yeah, it becomes now 25x squared minus A. A is 3. 3 squared, 9. And it has. So I got B. 25x squared minus 9 with square root. You understand now? Now we have A, B, and C. What is the requirement? We need tangent. Because in my answer, I have tangent. Look at here. I have tangent. I need tangent answer. So what is tangent formula? If you have right triangle A, B, what is tangent formula, please?
I do.
Tan theta how much?
This is the digit.
B over A. So what is B? Get here.
And the A is.
And what is A? That's why we got this one. 25x squared plus 9 squared divided by 3. Hope you understand. Okay, good.
Sir,
Please.
Can we use the secant numbers?
Can you use?
Secant numbers?
No. When you get the answer, put the limits now. For example, this question has limit, please. So, as you get this one, now put upper limit in the answer, minus the lower limit in the answer.
Can't use the secant.
No. Okay, please, huh? Quite possible, yeah, it's possible to get the answer same, but if you don't, if you have a trigonometric function, we need its value. Don't write this trigonometric function as inverse of other function. Oh yes, as I told you, if you have only theta, that's it, theta. Oh, we have no other option. Theta means angle. Angle is come always something inverse, yes. If your solution tan, so tan inverse. If it's sine, so it is sine inverse. If solution is secant, so becomes secant inverse. Tan, theta, you can write as inverse the function. But if you have a functions, don't write the answer in the inverse. We need the values, proper values. Okay? Right. Let's see one more question, please. Try 14th now, please. Question 14, please. Come on. Try yourself, please. 14. 2dx divided by x cube, then you have square root of x squared minus 1. Okay, let's try the question 14. 14, please. Question 14. Integrate. Yeah, 2dx, then divide by x cube. 2dx. 2 times dx times x cube, then you have square root of x squared minus 1. X is greater than 1. Come on, please, try yourself now, please. You can see it's direct solution. What is that? X squared minus a squared.
The second.
Secant, yes. Please change x with secant. Wherever you have x, change with secant. Yes, please.
What do you do with that?
Of course, change with x is secant.
Also what?
So, yes, please. Your x is changing to secant, please.
Okay.
So all x will change by secant. And what is dx?
Secant time.
Secant 10, yes. So in the numerator, you will get 2 times secant 10. And in the denominator, you will get secant cube theta. And inside you get secant squared theta minus 1. All x will change by secant, please. All, please. Huh? Don't keep any x, please. All will change to function, to numeric function, please.
That will become square root of secant square
Minus 1.
minus 1. So it's
How much theta square minus 1?
that's
Tan square. It has square root. Becomes absolute value of tangent. Yeah.
look, this is the behavior of the secant as well. Goes that way.
Yes. So you can easily remove the absolute value and you can cancel one of them, please. One day cancel. 1 second is gone downwards. Downward is down. Okay, yes. Good. No, miss here. Secant square minus 1. How much? Ah, yes, secant square theta minus 1 is tangent. Yes, please, do you reach? Where is cube? Or 3, yeah. So,
So stuff here, it's not organized, because this is got to see.
why, how get cosecant?
Like this, then you.
Yes, now put now x secant.
How do you?
Now 1 over secant square, how much?
Whatever.
1 over secant square, how much? Huh? Cosine square, yes. 1 over secant square is cosine square, exactly. Now you have to integrate. Now, no. Okay. Now you have absolute answer. Which function you are taking as substitution? Which function you are? See, in this question, you substitute a function. Which function? See, check the secant. Exactly. This is based on the which function you are using as application. Secant is positive. In first quadrant. If first one all positive, then
Yeah, but
what is the guess? Right. So can get around how much?
you have.
With integration. Yes, one. A square beta square is in theta absolute value. I show cosine square in one right. Cosine square. A square theta square is absolute value. One over secant square, how much? Cosine square. 1 over secant square is cosine square. Given power. Now integrate, it's okay here. Now integrate. It's correct. Yes, integrate now.
Because I look.
No, you missed something. It's not place. It's not place. So. Oh, no, I told you, don't write the answer in the.
Yeah,
But how should we answer this? How you integrate 6 and cosine square? Good. Oh, theta. Okay, that is okay. Theta, then is okay. That is fine. I thought maybe the function. Now, sine square theta please. Now you have to use identity. Two sine cosine. Yes. How to integrate? You have done in 8.2. Sorry. Yeah. 8.3. 8.3. Cosine square. Higher powers. Even power. Change into identity. Sine 2 sine cosine. Integrate now, please. Integrate. Break. Break please. 1 by 2. Yes, we will like that. Exactly. Yes, please. Sine. Why? No. It's not double angle, please. Because you have double angle. There's no value of double angle, please. Because substitution is single angle. First change into single angle. What is sine 2 theta? 2 sine cosine. Sine double angle change into single angle by 2 times sine cosine. No, 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 I'm not talking about that. Something else. No. First of all, integrate cosine square. Come on. Oh, you learn in 8.3. No, no. How integrate cosine square, please?
One plus.
It is.
One plus.
Now you get the sine. You complete. Square cosine also. It will be 1 by x. Theta by 2 cosine 2 theta by cosine. Why is that sine? How integrate? Okay. And what is theta by 2 integration? Ah, sorry. It is only d theta. Yeah, okay. Now it's not x, it's theta. Why put x? It's theta, please. We have to go back to this. But there is a chance where you have very good, very nice. Theta, okay, now here. What is cosine 2 integration function? Integration. Sine 2 theta over. Yes, good. After that, this substitute, we have changed in x. Let me introduce you how we do it. Which one? The first answer? After integration of cosine square, what you got? And I'm asking, what is the integration of cosine square theta?
It's 1 plus 2 cos, not 1 plus 2 sine.
After all these things, what's the answer of integration of cosine square?
Theta.
Theta plus sine 2 theta over 2.
Yes.
Yes, very good, very nice. Now, you can get theta value, which is secant inverse. Yes, good. Now, you left one more thing, sine 2 theta.
We should make it.
Sine 2 theta, because sine has double angle. In the question, we have single angle. So you cannot proceed. First of all, change sine 2 theta, this one, 2 times sine theta and cosine theta. Use this item first, because double angle is not with us. The question has single angles. So first of all, convert into this one, please. Okay, anyway, let me just answer it quickly, please, before we go for break. So one thing is very clear. This is x square minus a square, which is secant, substitution. Okay. So please just write x is equal to a. How much a here? 1. So secant. What dx?
Secant x tan.
Secant theta and theta d. So this is our substitution. Now we have put down this. So this is 2 times you can take outside. Dx is secant theta tan theta d theta divided by my x is secant theta. It has cube, so secant cube theta, please. Now, if you don't mind, I have here secant square theta minus 1, which is tangent square theta and square root. Please, brother, please look at here. It's tan square theta, understand? The square root. It is absolute value. Yes, basically, the square and square root which becomes absolute value, and now no more square root.
That's fine.
Now understand? And we know very well because our substitution is secant, and secant is in the first quadrant angles, all positive. So you can remove it, please, like that. Now you can see. So please, you understand now?
Yeah.
So this is cancelled out. This is cancelled out with power 2. We have 2 times integral. Now we have d theta over secant square, 1 over secant square, which is basically cosine square. Yes, cosine square. Now please be careful. It's cosine square is a even power. And we learned in 8.2, if you have sine cosine cases with even power, the identity which we use, it is double angle identities, which is now 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2. Yes or no, please?
Yes.
This you can just out this. Now please break. We need d theta, 1 d theta. We have now 1 d theta and plus the integration of cosine 2 theta and d. So this one is theta
Yes.
plus cosine 2 integration is positive sine 2 theta and divide by 2. Yes, good. And plus c. Now we know very well it's double angle. Please get rid of this one, please. Sine 2 theta can be write as 2 times sine theta and cosine theta. I already told that I did here. Understand this? Sine 2 theta is basically 2 times sine cosine. This 2 and 2 you can cancel out. Now finally means in terms of theta, our answer will be theta plus sine theta and cosine theta plus c. Now we have to put back theta value in x now. I have only angle, and angle I told you can be get in inverse. So go back to the substitution please. And this is the substitution. From here, if you need theta, it's very clear. Theta is basically secant inverse x. Agreed? Okay. So you can put the answer of this part as secant inverse x please. So here. So this theta replace part now. Secant inverse x plus. Now we need two functions, sine and cosine. For this sine cosine value, we need the right angle triangle. We need right angle triangle. How to draw this right angle triangle? Please, from the substitution. All you do from substitution, please. Look at here, please. Look at here. Secant theta, how much?
X.
X. Yes, means if nothing is down, what is that? 1. And we know very well secant theta formula is what? C over A. Secant equal to how much? C over A. If you have a right angle triangle with theta as an angle, please. So secant is basically C over A. So C how much, please? And A how much? We need B. B means x squared minus A squared and square. So my right angle triangle is complete. What I need from that? Sine and cosine. So what is sine theta? Sine theta formula is B over A. Sorry, B over C. Sine theta is B over C. What is my B in my right triangle? Right angle x squared minus 1 divided by C is x. I need cosine. Cosine formula is A over C. A over C. My A is 1. And C how much? X. Please put down this value in your answer, please. So now, finally, I just write my answers x squared minus 1 over x and 1 by x. So look at it. So sine theta, I just calculated it is x squared minus 1 square root divided by x. This is sine value. Multiply cosine. Cosine is 1 over x and plus c. You combine this x and this x. How much? X squared. And you can remove from here. I hope you understand. But you understand this one, please. Come on. One question in exam 2 will come from that. One question from that topic, please. No, next exam, next week. So 8.2 by parts, 2 questions. 8.3, 3 questions. So one question 8.4, please.
Will be this one?
Okay. No, means like that. You need substitution. Either sine substitution or tangent or secant. Okay? So we have now left 2 more sections, 8.5 and then 8.8. Let me check. Okay, no problem. We can go for break and come back.
From what did you get the sine theta sine theta?
This one?
Yeah.
Actually, The integration of cosine 2 theta is sine 2 theta over 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Well, right now, sine 2 theta, this is double angle. Our question is not double angle. In the substitution, it is theta, not 2 theta. So use an identity of sine double angle. Note down, please. If you have sine 2 theta, it will be 2 times sine theta and cosine theta. You can change double angle to single angle.
Yeah.
That's why we write here, please, 2 times sine theta and sine theta over 2 is already there. Then it's cancelled out. So I have sine theta.
Okay.
That's clear?
Yeah.
Good, because we use this identity. This one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good.
It's not.
Sure, I have it.